Hello everyone, I'm Jason, comes from SKR Machinery, and today is my pleasure to introduce you about our 4 outlets conduit pipe production line. And so behind me is this the production line. I will introduce the whole line step by step. And first of all, let's look at the two parts that at the end of me. And the higher one is the hot part, and the lower one is the cold part. It is the mixer to mix the material evenly. And then the cooler part is for cooling down the raw material. Because if the material is still hot, there will be a lot of the energy or heat inside the raw material. It will make a big reaction in the raw material. So while after we hot pot, we need to drop to the cold part as soon as possible and then cool down the material. And this action is also for the less of the humidity, the powder will absorb. And after the cold mixture process, we will use the spiral feeder to feed the raw material to our hopper. And this tube is the 304 stainless steel tube. It can the maximum to reduce the particle. I mean that the useless part will make the raw material have the iron or something or rubber, something like that. And this is the hopper. After the hopper, we have the quantitative feeder to feed the raw material into our extruder. And I would like to let you know more about our inner part. The inner part first. The inner part of our extruder, we have the shiny brand emitter or frequency converter. It is the well-known brand in China, and also you can change the configuration for the emitter, maybe ABB brand or the Fuji brand. It depends on your need. And the second, I will let you know, have a look about the conductor. This is the Schneider conductor. It's the durable parts around the world that are accepted by all our customers. And so you don't need to worry about the durable parts, the lifetime about our extruder. And after the electricity part, I will let you know about the control part. And for our 4-cavity extrusion line, we will have the PLC control panel. It's the Siemens brand. And here, we just like the name, the programmable logic controller. It has the picture to show the detail, the different area of our extruder and the die mold. You can compare them one by one. And after here, we just need to hit the screen, the corresponding position, and then input the data you need. Generally, this is for your reference. And based on the different material, we suggest you to test by yourself or ask your supplier to give you the best temperature to operation the whole line. And let's look at this one. This is a die mold, 4-outlet die mold. After die mold, we can see right now the product is outcoming from the mouth mold. And this is the sizing sleeve. And here we call it the vacuum sizing tank. The vacuum sizing tank, just like its name, we will have the vacuum molder under the machine, and it will create the vacuum pressure to the pipe, and the sizing slip will make the pipe to the round shape and the beautiful appearance. And after this one, we will lead our product go to the cooling tank. This is the cooling tank to cool down our product. Because after the material heat, there will be a lot of heat inside our pipe. And we need to have the heat exchange. I mean, in other words, we need the water to bring the heat out. This is for enhance the pipe quality. You know, for different requirements, the different pipe, if we didn't cool it down as soon as possible, there are so many heat inside, and the heat will make the reaction in the pipe. In this situation, if we want a good quality pipe, cool it down as soon as possible is what we need to do. After the cooling tank, we can see there is two silicone rubber. These two silicone rubbers is for preventing from the water leaking out of the cooling tank. Anyway, every owner or the operator, they don't want to spray the water everywhere. So this is for keeping the surface of the pipe is dry. And let's focus on this small kit. And right now, but we don't install the laser, the printer right now, but we have the sample here. Here is the different sample, the inkjet printer and the laser printer sample. We can have the movable or portable printer. You can choose laser printer or the inkjet printer. And for the trademark, that can make your customer remember this is your brand and this is the quality insurance mark. After the printer, we will have the hold of machine and the cutter. And here is also the Siemens PLC panel. And we just need to insert the parameter to control the cutter, and after the cutter, we will have the stacker. This panel is to control the cutter and the stacker. And we just look at here. This is the stainless steel tube. This tube is for limiting the position or the length, or I should say the road of the pipe to the right position at the stacker. And the stacker will receive the cut weld, I mean the final product. And while here you can listen, just now it cut the pipe, and later the signal will give to the second one that drop the pipe to here. Yes? Okay, the pipe just dropped. So this is the whole process about the production line. And I'm Jason, your host. If you want to contact us, the SKR Machinery, to know more about this 4 outlet cavity conduit pipe production line, feel free to contact us via the phone or WhatsApp or WeChat, or scan our QR code on our screen. Thank you.